Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 AI ETFs to buy in 2023. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, new to the team, we talk about everything money, stocks, and money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's dive into this one. All right, so before we break down the top 3 AI ETFs, why do I love AI? Well, AI is rated to grow at 37% per year for the next 10 years. So if I can make some cheddar cheese off that, I'm going to be super happy. And ETFs are a great way to get a ton of diversification and a lot lower risk, but still carry a ton of reward. Plus, you guys can get a ton of growth and you guys can get a ton of dividends that will compound and maybe pay your mortgage one day. But let's jump into ETF number 1. All right, ETF number 1 is the GOAT, the staple, QQQ. Now this one here is a tech ETF designed for technology. So we'll have a ton of companies that are heavily invested into artificial intelligence, software development, companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, all the GOATs, honestly, for AI, for technology, software, data development, all that stuff. And over the past, 5 years, we've had a return over 90%, which is beating the S&P 500, beating the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, all those fantastic indexes. I would highly recommend this pick. Plus, it does pay a small dividend as well that will definitely start compounding, paying you some passive income, getting you some extra cash flow. It's just a staple pick. All right, moving on to ETF number 2. This is another technology sector ETF, ticker symbol XLK. Now this one here specifically is designed to look out and find those fantastic technology companies. The top holdings in here are absolutely beautiful. We'll have companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Broadcom, Adobe, Cisco, all those great picks for artificial intelligence, data, software development. And honestly, it's a great pick. And with that being said, over the past 5 years, we've seen a return rate over 122%. So if we're gonna get more growth out of this thing, I definitely think it's coming very soon, because AI is on a non-stop roar, and I definitely think we'll see a ton of continuation for the next couple of years. All right, moving on to the third and final ETF. Before we jump into that, hit that like button right now. Hit that like button for that YouTube algorithm. Do it right now. I appreciate you. All right, moving on to ETF number 3. This is Vanguard's technology ETF, ticker symbol VGT. Now the reason I love it, obviously it tracks, the top technology companies in the United States, but we also have a little bit of some smaller companies in here that are still in their working stages. So if they're the next Apple or Google, this ETF is going to skyrocket. On top of that, it does have those stocks as well, like Apple, Google, Tesla, Microsoft, Cisco, Broadcom, all those fantastic holdings. And the year-to-date return is up about 31%, beating the S&P, the Dow Jones, and NASDAQ. Ton of opportunity for this ETF, and I definitely think we'll see a ton of continuation for the next 2 to 10 years for sure. All right, so these were the top 3 technology, AI, software ETFs that I would highly recommend. And I do think the best strategy for investing into them is going to be the one, the only dollar cost averaging, investing consistently so you guys can get a good average price for your shares. Because yes, AI, we've seen a ton of growth out of it. Nvidia, which is one of the leaders of AI, is up over 200%. So yes, we could be buying at a little premium. In dollar cost averaging, what you do is you invest consistently. So if we get some sell off, all you do is you average down that price. So when it recovers, you make a lot more money because your average cost is so low. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.